Imagine you walk into a place where every car that you have ever dreamt of exists, and wait. Not just any cars, but the rarest and the most jaw-dropping hypercars and exclusives on planet Earth. Welcome to F1 RST Motors, the craziest and the most insane car dealership you've seen. So buckle up because this isn't your average showroom. Alright, let's dive in. F1 RST Motors is Dubai's crown jewel for luxury and hypercar fans. And it's not just selling cars, but flexing some of the most exclusive rides money can buy. Ferrari, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, McLaren, Porsche, Pagani. You name it, and they have it. F1 RST has hundreds of millions of dollars worth of cars hanging around and sitting, because we are going to take you on a tour like no other. So, what's exactly on the menu when you walk in the showroom? Well, brace yourself because we are talking about limited edition Lamborghini Sian Roadsters, only 19 worldwide. And get this, the only full black Sian Roadster in the words parked right in this showroom. Then there's the Koenigsegg Jesko, a $5 million supercar with gold flakes embedded into carbon fiber that's packing 1,600 horsepower and boasting a mind-boggling 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. And in case you thought that's it, then you're wrong, because that's just the start. Bugatti fans, imagine you're walking past a Bugatti Supersport 300 Plus, one of the just 30 made. And Ferrari collectors get weak at the knees when they spot multiple LaFerrari Apertas, including the ones with zero mileage and rare colors like metallic chrome blue and radiant red. What's more, the showroom houses an extraordinary collection of Nissan Skylines. Iconic Japanese legends including the ultra-rare Mines Edition IR34s, making this a global melting pot of automotive dreams. But wait, it gets better. This isn't just cars and air conditioning. This is a luxury experience. We are talking about ghost buttons that make secret compartments in vehicles appear out of nowhere. Trunk rods painted in gold? Check. A subterranean garage that's stacked with vintage classics and future legends? Double check. Walking through this showroom is less about buying a car and more about walking through an art gallery where every exhibit roars. Tons of cars here have zero mileage, gathered and sourced from all over the world and kept in just pristine condition. One thing's for straight, the showroom's owner believes in doing the best or not doing anything at all. Now, if you're wondering why Dubai, then here you go. Well, the city is basically the playground of the super rich, so it's not a secret that F1 Motors fits right in. Here, the wealthy residents openly flaunt their collections with no stigma around juggling multiple $5 million cars in one driveway. The dealership caters to those who want the best of the best, whether it's a multi-million-dollar Bugatti or just a Japanese tuned classic that's as rare as a unicorn. The showroom's almost like a car museum, but with a sales counter. And trust me, these cars move fast because the clientele here don't wait around. Located strategically on Sheikh Zayed Road, F1 First Motors caters clientele craving luxury cars and enjoy the thrill of owning rides that no one else can touch. The collection's not an accident. F1 RST Motors started with $100 million worth and has shot up to over $250 million in just a couple of years. From rare classic Lamborghinis to Ferraris to cutting-edge electric marvels like the Turkish Tog SUV that's designed by Pininfarina, the showroom's packed. Now this place doesn't just chase sales, it's all about the legacy. Koenigsegg and Pagani are not just brands here, but are storytelling and are like heritage living on the wheels. The Pagani Huayra, its interior is crafted with care, merging carbon fiber with the finest metals and leather that make each a rolling masterpiece. And then there are the classics. You'll see a 1958 Mercedes 300 SL Roadster worth $2 million, and the Lamborghini Countach Tribute built on the Aventador. Now these cars show just how serious and how deep the passion goes. For the true hypercar fans, F1 RST Motor even has the AMG one, a supercar built with real Formula One technology. Only 50 of them exist in the entire world. The price tag on this? A whooping $5 million, and rebuilding its engine every 30,000 miles costs $900,000. That's how crazy this car is. And that's not all. There's the Chiron Devo, one of the wildest Bugattis ever made, built for extremely racing performance with instance aerodynamics. Whereas the Ferrari SF90 mixes hybrid tech with 1,000 horsepower and all-wheel drive, shooting from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. The showroom also has Porsche GT2 RS Club Sport and Ferrari 488 Challenge Evo. Now, these aren't normal road cars, but they are more like precision-built weapons, designed for pure speed and maximum adrenaline. And in case you're not a billionaire, then there's nothing to worry about. F1 Rust Motors lets you live the dream up close and personal. Yup, that's right. The showroom's open to the public, so you can actually come and see the cars in person, hear the engines roar, and who knows, maybe even catch a glimpse of your future ride. The man steering the wheel behind this ship is Ali Pacino, the name that grabs attention as much as the $200 million worth of cars sitting under one roof. What Ali started just for fun is now full of some of the most expensive cars in the UAE. Since the opening in 2021, the showroom has managed to attract quite a lot of wealthy clients. Pacino says the secret to keeping these clients happy is trust, and according to him, that's something that other car showrooms in Dubai don't have. He said, even till today, what most of the car showrooms don't have is the trust, because they have already ruined that trust. The cars that car showrooms are selling, they are not giving full information. They are not being transparent. The cars are not in the condition that they are said to be. And Pacino's not interested in small cars. He claims by throwing the bigger bait, you get the bigger fish. He stated, let's focus on bigger cars, because nobody cares about the smaller cars, and the profit is in the bigger cars. When you go to the smaller car range, you have much more competition, because the lower you go, everyone can afford to play in that field. But when you go to the bigger cars, not everybody has the heart to take those risks. F1 Worst isn't his only business. Pacino and his two partners are also the force behind the real estate development firm, Alpago Properties. Pacino revealed that their ventures in cars and real estate are interconnected. Pacino added that F1 First Motors clientele eventually get offered homes and home renovation services through Alpago Properties. Wait, there's more. If you haven't been able to pay Dubai a visit, then F1rist might be coming to you. Pacino plans on expanding his business. Yup, his vision for F1rist Motors involves opening more showrooms across multiple key locations in the world, including Monaco, Switzerland, and Germany. Pacino's also planning to launch a newsletter specifically for car enthusiasts, and he's trying to make sure he invests more into the company's online presence. What's more, Dubai's top spot for hypercar and luxury cars was also officially recognized as the best hypercar dealer award by the prestigious Luxury Lifestyle Awards. The award is a major achievement, highlighting F1rist Motors' position as one of the world's leading hubs for rare, exclusive, and high-performance cars. For all the car enthusiasts and collectors, the showroom's a go-to place to experience some of the most extraordinary automobiles on the planet. The Luxury Lifestyle Awards are known for celebrating excellence across luxury industries. Why F1 Worst? Well, because of their unmatched collection of hypercars, exceptional customer services, and innovative marketing strategies that have completely transformed the way people experience luxury cars. From hosting events to offering personalized services for high-net clients, F1 RST Motors has sure raised the bars for what a luxury showroom actually is. This recognition by Lifestyle Awards not only celebrated their luxury collection, but also the vision and dedication behind the brand, confirming its status as a world-class destination for car collectors. One thing's certain, F1rist Motors isn't just a dealership, it's a hypercar lover fantasy turned into reality. So make sure this insane spot is on the top of your list the next time you visit Dubai.